And now it's time for Courtney's Corner with your host, Courtney.
Hi, welcome to Courtney's Corner. I'm Courtney. We all want to be on Santa's good list. Here are some good behavior tips. How to make sure you're getting the right gift. Always remove alarm systems. You never want to get caught checking. So make sure you have a plan. Set up a decoy. This will give you enough time to get a really good look. A goldfish, so
Really?
I have a lot of art supplies.
Oh, you already have a lot of art supplies? Oh.
Yeah. Weekend dads can be very embarrassing. With a computer and printer, you can change an embarrassing dad. Hey Dad, how's it going? Into your own decorator. Now we all know that frosting can be a holiday treat, but there must be sneaky.
Courtney, what are you doing?
Nothing, Dad. And remember, kids, a clean room is a happy room. But who really has the time? Here's a little tip that will help. A leaf blower does wonders. Now, eating all the rich food can give you a little gas. Always make sure there's a family pet or an old relative to blame it on. Well, that's all for today. I hope you enjoyed the show. Ah, BB.